This tiny board controls all 4 motors of your drone, and it decides how fast your motors spin. But choosing the wrong one can destroy your entire setup, and most beginners choose ESCs the wrong way. In this video, you'll learn how to choose the correct ESC for your motor and propeller. First, we'll understand what an ESC does, then current rating, and finally, how to avoid burning one. ESC stands for Electronic Speed Controller. It controls how fast each motor spins. The flight controller sends signals to the ESC. The ESC receives power from the battery. Then it sends controlled power to the motor. Inside the ESC, electronic switches rapidly turn power on and off. This switching controls motor speed with extreme precision, but choosing the wrong ESC current rating can cause serious problems. Every ESC has a current rating. You might see values like 30 amps, 45 amps, or even higher. This rating tells you how much current the ESC can safely handle, and that current depends on your motor and propeller. Bigger propellers and higher pitch increase current draw. If the current exceeds the ESC rating, the ESC starts to overheat, and in extreme cases, it can burn. So how do you choose the correct ESC? The rule is simple. Your ESC must handle more current than your motor will draw. For example, a motor setup drawing 40 amps, a 30 amp ESC is not enough. A 45 amp ESC is safer. Professionals always add a safety margin. Choose an ESC rated at least 30% higher than your expected current. So always match your ESC with your motor and propeller. That's how you build a reliable and efficient drone. In the next video, we'll combine everything to build a perfectly matched drone system.